Again, it's the same thing. If I would have started filming from the beginning, you're going to been here for an hour changing these. You can see we're here. If they would have filled that in, we wouldn't have this problem. I don't know if they didn't understand when they set these boxes in, that these ears have to sit on that classroom there. But it looks like they're recessed, kind of on purpose. So, maybe they just didn't understand. Again, those are GB 1/8" spacers. I'm already used the whole bag of these. And in the bag you get a lot of spacers. But these are real nice. It takes care of that situation there. It's way easier than anything else to handle this. And you don't even need to pull the plug out. Slide it behind there and tighten it up. And then push down to the height you need within reason. And that's pretty much about it. Sorry about that. We'll see how that one works. I think it'll work out pretty good. Yeah, that'll work pretty good. I may have put too many spacers in there, but tightened up nice. Alright, now when you push on that, it's solid, it's not going to break that. Every plug in this whole place is the same way. There's nothing behind it. And when you plug something in, that cracks it every single time. So what we're going to do is use a GB spacer. These are real nice. You just fold them to how thick you want them. And you slide that behind the screw. So you can see that goes behind the screw there. That's where the problem is there. Now the metal box, was set too far into the wall. So we'll just loosen these up. And every plug in here is the same way. I've never seen so many plugs. But when the box was set too far into the wall. But every single one was the same way, so I guess whoever did that. Here I'm going to try 2. They're relatively easy to put in. And that is the way to handle it. That might be a little too much. And when you tighten them up, they actually squeeze and crush up to the depth you need. There's a little too much on the top one, but it'll be alright. But now that plug is solid. You can see it's broken here. After this, when you put a new plate cover on there, you won't have that problem anymore. You can see where that is in there. And I squished them up. So now, you have a solid plug. When they plug in and push into it, it won't crack the cover anymore. This is about the 5th one I've done up here. Someone just said the box is too deep. Now we need a new cover because it's broken, but right now, that's not going to happen again with a new cover. Yep. It's another one.